How's everybody doing? Welcome back to the channel. And as you guys have seen by the title and thumbnail, we are going to be installing a bullet antenna on our 2022 AT4 here. And as you guys know, the 2025 AT4, my AT4, and also the ZR2 on the channel already have a bullet antenna. So it's about time we get rid of this huge antenna and make it look how it should, or make it look a lot better, I guess, in my opinion. So in the last video we did on the ZR2, making the bullet antenna, we were getting comments on, show us how to install it. So this video, I'm going to be going through and kind of showing you guys actually how to install the bullet antenna. Pretty straightforward in my opinion, but we'll just record it and show you guys how to do it. And here you guys can see pretty much all the tools you'll need. Pretty much just a set of channel locks. And then here we have our bullet antenna. This one happens to be from Ronin Factory. And then, you have your little adapter piece as well. But, let's get into the actual install and how to get this bullet antenna on your truck. So as you guys can see, this antenna pretty much just screws off. And I've already loosened it with the channel locks just to make it a little bit easier for install or removal. So you pretty much just want to twist until this antenna comes out, which you'll feel like that. And as you guys can see, pretty much just screws on and screws off. So we'll put that to the side. Anyways, you can see in here, you have this little, obviously threaded piece. So with Ronin Factory, you can see how their bullet antenna has this huge, obviously it's too big for the threads in here. So it does come with this adapter piece, which you guys will have to use. So I will open this up and hop back into it. All right, guys. So let's set up the camera here. And as you guys can see here, we have the little adapter piece that we will be using to put our bullet antenna onto our original threads that came on the truck. And there's pretty much only one way that this will fit on. So you pretty much just want to screw it on by hand and kind of work the threads on nicely. And you guys will see that it will thread in. And then once you guys have the feel that it is threaded on, then you can put on your bullet antenna. You could also use your channel locks to make sure that this is on tightly, but you'll usually feel by hand like that there is tight. So now you can go ahead and throw your bullet antenna onto the top and it just threads on literally like that. So, and it will also tighten with the other one if it's not snugged in. So you can see there. You can keep going until it is all the way tight. And we are just showing you guys the install because we did get a comment on the last video that we didn't show the install. So here is the install of a bullet antenna. All right, guys, so as you can see here, we have the finished product. And guys, take a look at the difference of this bullet antenna versus the normal huge stock antenna that comes on the truck. Just looks way, way better. And this antenna, honestly, you don't lose too much radio reception around the area we're in. I have heard if you're obviously, in the middle of nowhere, it can get a little bit, here and there. But honestly, the reception is pretty good for the most part. I don't really listen to the radio much, so it's an easy, decision for me. But if you guys do, and you are up where the service maybe isn't the best, might be something to consider. But that will wrap up the install of this video, guys. If you did enjoy the video on installing the bullet antenna, please drop a like. Also comment down below on what are your thoughts of the look of the truck now with the bullet antenna versus the big monstrous antenna. And don't forget to subscribe. We'll see you guys in the next video.